One of the biggest selling points of the new iPhone 17 lineup, which includes the 17, 17 Pro, Max and Air, is the all 48 megapixel camera setup. So you got your iPhone, you open the camera and shoot some photos, but when you look at its resolution, it says 18 megapixels. You try to change the format, but the 48 megapixel is nowhere. So here's how you turn on 48 megapixels and use these giant cameras to their highest potential. You just need to open Settings, go to Camera, scroll down, select Formats, and here's an option called Photo Mode, but in here, there's no 48 megapixels. So let's go back, and what we actually need to do is turn on ProRAW and Resolution Control. And you're done. So let's jump back in the Camera app, tap on the Formats on the Photo Mode, and boom, here's your 48 megapixels. Take a photo, look at its info, and there you have it, straight to 48 megapixels. That's all. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.